Watch on as this plane comes in for a landing at St. Barth's, one of the steepest and most dramatic hillside approaches in the world. Next up, the iconic Lockheed Super Constellation roars overhead, its radial engine spitting flames as it thunders off the runway. Watch as this Boeing 777 battles strong crosswinds at London Gatwick, lifting off almost sideways in the wake of a recent storm.
That's a scary takeoff.
This pilot gets his first chance to land at the legendary Princess Juliana Airport in St. Martin, where aircraft soar just above the beach, giving sunbathers an unforgettable front row view.
657, I'm going to wait runway 12.
30,
10657.
20, 10.
Runway 3251, same direction, company to another 1,500 feet, opposite direction. 1,000 feet, beam point back.
Spoilers out, Roger.
Copy.
Reverse screen.
3251, and ready, Alpha.
This is one of the final videos of former President Joe Biden departing St. Croix aboard Air Force One, for what may be his last time leaving the island in office.